Hiya, I'm Vicky, welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to be doing some Christmas baubles with a little bit of bling inside. And these are the products I'll be using. Let's go. So I've decided to go non-traditional. I don't want red and green, so I'm going for lavender. I'm going to cap that free edge and pop it under an LED lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going in now and doing my second coat, even though I don't think it needs it. Don't forget to cap that free edge and pop it back under the lamp. So using the Urban Graffiti Snow White, I'm going to pop some on a palette. I'm going to load up my brush and draw some bows and string. I'm just painting on some string now. I'm doing it 2 different lengths so I can have 2 different size baubles. Hopefully it'll show a bit of perspective. So here I'm going to draw some simple bows at the end of the string that'll be sat on top of my baubles. And then I chuck it in the lamp. So I've gone back in with Snow White just to neaten up the edges of my bows. Using a Neo Nails 01 art brush. And I pop it back under the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to use the Neo Nails Mega Gloss. I'm using this because it's a bit thicker than normal top coat because I want those baubles to be 3D. Now I'm just going to pop some of this in the palette. Now I've got some bling! And this is a mix of 1mm round crystals. Now I'm just going to take some of the AB and some of the silver crystals and mix them in with the Mega Gloss. So I'm just loading up my dotting tool with the Mega Gloss and the crystals to create my 3D bauble. So once you've got your desired shape, then pop it under the lamp. So now I'm going to build up my second bauble, the same as I did the first one, and then pop it under the lamp. So now I'm just using a bit more Mega Gloss just to get the baubles round. So I'm going to turn the nail upside down so that gravity allows it to become more 3D. And we're going to put it in the lamp for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to top coat, but I miss out the baubles because I don't want to flatten the design. And I'll pop it back under the lamp for its final cure. And here's my final design. It's a non-traditional Christmas theme. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a simple Christmas design that you can do at home. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the products are listed below. I'll see you next time. Bye!